Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another Multman episode. It is still turkey season here in Texas, and it's currently 5:01 in the morning, and we're headed out to the ranch. We're ripping the old Land Cruiser, and hopefully we get on some turkeys. We still got a few turkeys showing up on camera, but I just don't think that they're hot anymore. So that's why we are going with the Air Force Airguns 50 cal today. It is legal in Texas to hunt turkeys with air guns. Has to be a 45 cal or bigger. It actually may be a 30 cal or bigger. But I got the 50 cal with me, and we may be doing some spot and stock on some turkeys if they're not responding. But I'm leaving extra early to get out there before the sun comes up to see if I can hear any gobbles, and if I do, we'll try to work one in. If not, we're gonna check fields and food plots and do a little spot and stock turkey action. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna stop and get me some breakfast. Gotta fill up the Yoda, and I'll see y'all when we get there. Alright guys, we made it. Just got in the cart, and I'm gonna go do some calling and just sit and listen. See if we can hear a gobble this morning. It's a beautiful morning. Very little wind, and the wind doesn't pick up till about 10:30, so we got some time to try to get it done before this wind picks up. Alright guys, I just heard a gobble. Let's see if we can get him to respond again. I just heard him again, but this plane's going over, so I'm waiting. See if I can hear him. I got him. Well, I got him. I got him to come into like 60 yards. And I shot him. And I hit him. He couldn't fly off. Started chasing him. Never got another shot. He's got to be around here somewhere. He was hurting bad. Oh. Hope y'all could see all that. Gosh dang it. I was freaking running full sprint. Whew. I could see him when he gathered himself. He ran off, but he was hurting bad. Can't believe I didn't catch up to him. I think he's gonna be in one of these cedar pockets, just laying down, would be my guess. Gosh dang it. Ah, he worked so good. I didn't have any decoys set up or nothing. I was just chasing that gobble. This is literally the tail end of our season. And man, he sounded like he was close the first time I heard him. And it ended up going, I ended up walking about 500, 600 yards. And then he came from probably at least 150, 200 yards. Golly. I know this 50 cal put a hole in him. A big hole. So I don't think he's going far. I just gotta find him. I don't care if it takes all day. Well guys, I was walking back to get the cart, and I left my GoPro with my bag on the road where that turkey last crossed. And I came around the corner and there was a group of pigs there. Well, took the old 50 cal, put one in the shoulder of the big sow. I'll show it to you. I just forgot to film when I walked up to her and stuff, but nice big old sow. She is really gross though. Perfect shoulder shot. She's super skinny and she doesn't have any hair on her back, so I don't know if we're gonna eat this one. May cut her open and see what her meat looks like, but I just don't like taking chances with pigs. There's just so many of them. We have to kill them anyway. I don't like meat going to waste, but I'm not gonna take a chance with my family on a pig that could potentially make us sick. So super bummed about this turkey, but I'm gonna spend the rest of the day looking for him. I heard another gobble right where he went, so I don't know. It could have been him, it could have been a different turkey, but I'm gonna go right to where I shot him, see if I can pick up blood, and then I'm just gonna drive around in this cart all day and check these pocketed trees, pockets of trees and see if he went and died in one of those or bedded down in one of those. I know they don't bed down, but I feel like if he's wounded, he's not just going to be out in the middle of a field. He's either going to be in a tree if he can fly, which I know he can't fly because he would have flown off, or just like burrowed up underneath a tree or in a pocket of trees. So I'm getting up here to where I shot him, and I'm gonna see if I can't go find some blood. Never know what you'll find. Last year's shed in a pretty obvious spot. Well, that may be this year's actually. That is gonna be a big buck one day. Oh, come on, turkey. Well, I found where I got him. There's feathers everywhere. I freaking thumped him hard. I really don't know what to do. Turkeys just don't, their feathers soak up all the blood. But keep looking. Well guys, my dad and Daisy showed up. I've already looked through all this. We've been looking and walking everywhere, and there's nothing to be found. It sucks, but it's part of hunting, I guess. I made a good shot on it too. There was all kinds of feathers where I shot him at, and it rolled him whenever I hit him. He flopped around for 2 seconds and then ran off. So he's probably buried himself up under a tree, and we just can't find him. We put Daisy out to try to track him, but all she did was get into a skunk. So we're gonna look for a little longer, and then I gotta go cut firewood. We got a camping trip coming up, and get some mulch for the gardens. So stay tuned. I'll let y'all know if we find the turkey. Well, we filled us up a big old bag of fresh cedar mulch, all this stuff right here. Cleared out all these cedars and mulched them up, and it is perfect for garden beds. So take that home and we'll put it in the garden whenever we get home today. So I'll see you guys when I get to the house. And unfortunately we found a big old dead axis head, but got him. I'm gonna do a Euro mount on him. So oh guys, it is dark pretty much. Just got done mowing. I wanted to show you guys kinda. I'll have to turn my phone light on, but we did get all the cedar, I guess you call them cedar wood chips, down in the gardens. We still have yet to plant our big garden over there, but I'll show you what it looks like. Our stuff is growing like crazy. So we got it all in. Got the tomatoes over here. Herb garden. Our potatoes are exploding. Got garlic that's exploding too. And then we got our onions and carrots. We still got to go get more mulch. That's the word I was looking for, mulch. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. So I got to go back out to the ranch and get some more mulch. Let me turn you guys around. I don't think you can see me, but that is going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My dad stayed out there actually longer than I did and looked for that turkey and couldn't find it. So I want to say that the 2 gobbles that I heard in the direction that he ran, one of those gobbles could have possibly been him. It's happened before. I have shot a turkey. Actually, it was in a video 2 years ago. I shot a turkey and with a shotgun and absolutely smoked him. Just hit him more in like a body shot. And about 20 minutes later, I called him back in and shot him. And shot him in the head, and he had BBs all. And I know it was the same bird because I had it all on film, and it was a little Jake. And he was just stupid. And when they're hot, they're used to being beat up. So hopefully that bird lived. It really upsets me really, really bad. But that's hunting. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all want to support the channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. A lot of people are saying that they are being unsubscribed, and make sure you push that notification button so whenever I post a video, it dings your phone and you know when I upload. And if you really want to support the channel, go over to mulletman.net, get you some merch, hats, hoodies, shirts, and Mulletman Bait Co. baits, as well as spice. And for those of you asking, the new spices we're really like that close. I would say within the next couple weeks, maybe even less than a couple weeks. So y'all stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Eat good.